It's the lift at M&S in Lakeside. It's going to be a glass lift. It's this one. Here it is. It'll be ThyssenKrupp.
Doors opening. Going down.
G.
Doors closing.
Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. There's open air.
Floor 0.
Here at floor 0.
Doors opening. Going up.
Go back up to floor 1. Door
Doors
closer, I push the
closing.
button. I like that.
First floor.
We are back at 1.